I'm Kenny, and I'm lead design and Mechanix wear. I want to talk about the tactical versions of our M-Pact gloves just for a second. Carrying on the tradition of our retail versions of the M-Pact gloves, our automotive or our high energy sector M-Pact gloves. The gloves that are made for tactical, for law enforcement, for security, feature colorization, features materials, and features specific details that are catered towards its environment and its use. Sublimated track dry material, very high performance material, wicks and pulls perspiration away from your body, spreads it out over the material, and lets the air dry it. The palm side of the material, as with all Mechanix wear gloves, 100% touchscreen capable for the life of the glove. It has the same amount of capability from the time you buy the glove until the time you find the glove no longer useful. It's embellished with armor text on the palm side of the glove to add grip, to add another layer of protection. Very highly rated in abrasion resistance, very highly rated in cut, puncture, and tear. We also use D3O on the palm side of this glove. We remove the sight holes so that it's, I guess, less visible when you're out in the field. And obviously visibility is a key thing when you're dealing with covert or with camouflage gloves. But we do feature the D3O on the palm side of the glove. That D3O sucks up the energy of an impact, whether it's a recoil or a swinging impact, and it sucks in that energy and gets rid of it. It doesn't transmit it to your body, doesn't transmit it in the sense of adding fatigue or stress to your body. So the D3O on the palm side of the glove, as used in the tactical impact and all our impact gloves, is a very, very useful feature.
Thank you for considering Tac Niner tactical gloves for your next tactical adventure. The thing that makes Tac Niner tactical gloves unique is our exclusive Kevlar lining. We use genuine Kevlar fabric to line our gloves to help with high temperature and sharp object situations. What good is a tactical glove if it isn't durable and comfortable? So we made our gloves with breathable neoprene and anti-slip fabric and included adjustable hook and loop straps that can give you that perfect fit. And don't worry, you can even use your touch screens too, because we've thought of that by adding sensitive fingertips that work with touch screens. We want to ensure that you get the perfect fit for your Tac Niner tactical gloves. So for that reason, we put together this handy sizing chart. Make sure you pick between small, medium, large, and extra large based on your palm size shown here. Don't worry, once they arrive and they aren't the perfect size, we'll exchange them for you for free. Our high performance design makes it ideal for hiking, mountaineering, airsoft, and other multi-outdoor sports. They're also suitable for law enforcement, handling heavy machinery, construction, woodworking, motorcycling, and gardening. So our gloves are up for any tough job without sacrificing comfort and functionality. You can buy Tac Niner tactical gloves with confidence because we include a 5-year warranty. No matter how hard you abuse our gloves, if anything happens to them within 5 years, just send them back and we'll send you a brand new pair free of charge, no questions asked.
Hi, my name is Kenny Stafford and I'm lead design for Mechanix wear. Over 30 years ago, Mechanix wear basically invented the performance glove category. We brought in a glove called the Original. What that did was it protected hands that were working on cars, that were doing DIY projects, that were hardworking hands. The military version of that glove carries on in that heritage. What we've done is to develop and isolate features that the tactical version, the tactical customer might appreciate. The carbon-infused palm, very high in dexterity, very high in abrasion resistance, tear, cut, puncture, very high ratings on all those. Touchscreen capable for the life of the glove. Never wears out, doesn't wash out. It works very well in all conditions, hot, cold, wet, never fades. The back of the glove features track dry. What track dry is it's a wicking material. Pulls moisture from your body, exposes that moisture to the outer layers of the material where the air can cool it and dry it. What that does is it keeps your hands a little bit cooler, keeps them a lot drier, and it keeps blistering to a minimum. The tactical version of the Original glove, I'm very proud of it. This is something that we've worked on for a very long time, and I know that if you use these gloves, to protect, they will protect you.
The 511 Tac A2 glove is a favorite amongst law enforcement officers and special operators around the globe. The Tac A2 glove utilizes our patented 511 tactical touch precision fingertip design to provide enhanced dexterity in any operational setting. These gloves provide exceptional tactility when shooting and also offer superior comfort. A breathable stretch nylon back panel keeps your hands cool and dry, while reinforced finger joints, synthetic leather grip pads, and a reinforced thumb saddle offer protection against laceration and abrasion. The Tac A2 also includes an integrated swept wipe on the thumb and a reliable neoprene hook and loop closure. This is the 511 Tac A2 glove.